Welcome back everyone to part 4 of our lesson, and in this video we're going to be looking at a wide area network. This is a simple representation of the different routers and different servers that exist in the world. If we look to the right here, we can see the Microsoft sort of servers. We can see the gateway to the Microsoft company. We can access Microsoft.com. If we look below that, we have Google gateway, and then we can access the Gmail accounts. We can access the website google.co.uk or google.com, and then we have, of course, as well some web hosting companies. Rackspace, this is sort of like GoDaddy, if you've ever heard of these. And then we have our school over here, which is connected through its own gateway to this network. And the whole of this network is connected in the middle by all of these other routers which route the traffic to the desired location, to the destination. So all of these are local area networks which together make a wider area network by connecting to this network of routers. So what we can do here, I'm going to show you if I run the simulation. There's a bit of communication happening between the routers. Just, all of the devices are identifying themselves to the router, and we're going to open up a computer here at school. And what we're going to do is we're going to access Google, and you're going to see how your computer, which is B, goes through your gateway and finds Google. How it finds it, it's not important right now, but you're going to see that it finds it and then it gets all of the information that it requires. So we're going to now open up the web browser. We're going to type google.com and we're going to press enter. There we go. It found the files, and then the website was sent to your computer. Now, of course, this isn't the actual Google website, but it's just there to show you how it works. Now, we're going to do the same for Microsoft, and what I want you to do is I want you to keep an eye out on this connection here between Europe, this router Europe Berlin, and this backup global DNS. It will light up only once when we type in Microsoft.com and press enter, and then after that it won't light up again. And what you'll see is that when we contact Microsoft the first time around, after we contact the DNS server, the uppermost routers here will light up to send the GET request to Microsoft. And then when Microsoft sends us the files, it won't use the same route it got the GET request from. It will actually use this middle route here to send us back the file. That's because one of the tasks of a router is to find the fastest route to the destination. That's one of the tasks of a router. So we're going to type in Microsoft.com and let's have a look. Keep your eye again on the DNS server up here that is connected to Europe Berlin, and then just follow all of the green lights that light up when the files are sent back. Oh, in this case, it decided that the quickest route was actually using Europe, Vienna and Berlin instead of Ireland, which is weird because that's the longer route. But the routers made the decision, and maybe they made that decision because the Europe-Ireland router was trafficking a lot of other information, so it would have been delayed, and then that's why it sent it through the routers above. Let's try Google again, and again keep an eye out on those routers. There we go. So as you can see, Google has decided, or the routers have decided, that the faster route would be through Europe-Ireland instead of Europe, Vienna and Berlin. So this just goes to show you that routers, one of their responsibilities, one of their tasks is to pass on data from router to router, but also find the fastest possible method of delivering that data to the destination. In the next video, we're going to have a look at data packets, and we're also going to learn how DNS works.